this day and age, the branding market is extremely vast, with every product we find on our shopping shelves having multiple brands to choose from. Therefore, it is important for our brand to not just be the physical item sitting on the top shelf, rather what the item represents, what it conjures up in the buyer's mind. Our product, Just Milk, embodies the familiar, getting back to basics and, most importantly, purity. To achieve this ideal image was the use of 3 key elements, the first of which includes the product name. Just Milk has connotations of the milk being entirely pure and very a real product. Also, the product name infers 0 artificial preservatives and other unhealthy substances. The second element is the product slogan, which is the family favorite since 1948. This phrase creates a link between family and, again, the pureness of the product, which has remained in a family business for 66 years. The final element includes the design of the product's packaging. Our bottle is designed so it represents milk bottles in the old days. This is an intentional use of an index sign. Also, this was done as it encompasses the previously stated ideologies. There is no fancy packaging that differs from the product itself, milk. Additionally, this packaging style is familiar with the elder members of the family and soon to be the children. For the audience to understand and to be able to make further connections with our brand, we have created an advertisement that promotes the brand's qualities.
We have strategically structured our advertisement to predominantly focus on the 3 key elements as previously discussed, to emphasize the idea that the product has not changed since its initial production in 1948. The advertisement displays a past and present comparison by use of a split screen. We envision each screen to show 2 separate eras, with the top screen representing the olden days and the bottom screen showing today. Both screens would be showing the same footage but can easily be perceived as 2 different time periods, as one will be filmed in black and white and be of poorer quality than the other. By use of these 2 screens, we can successfully demonstrate to the audience that the product is created and distributed exactly the same despite the difference in time. The advertisement will start by showing a farmer milking a cow directly into the product's glass bottle, which is identical in both screens, then multiple bottles being loaded into the back of a milk truck and delivered to a home in a nearby town. This clearly identifies to the audience that the milk is coming directly from the source and that no chemicals are added before they receive it, which links back to the product's name, Just Milk, meaning literally that. The final scene will portray a family gathered in the kitchen with children drinking the milk and a grandmother pouring a glass for herself. This same grandmother can be seen as a child in the olden day screen drinking the same milk that her grandmother gave to her when she was the same age. The scene then ends with the modern day grandmother saying the slogan, "Keeping in the family since 1948. When determining a target audience, there are many categories that should be included, the 3 most critical being age, gender, and social class. Our product, Just Milk, is not specifically targeted for a particular age group or gender, as people of all ages and either sex can consume our product. In order to appeal to everyone in those 2 categories, our advertisement shows 2 different genders and multiple age groups drinking and enjoying our product. When looking at the desired target audience with relation to social class, we must determine the type of people who are purchasing the product in the advertisement. As it shows the milk truck delivering to your average suburban family home, we would assume but not limit the product's social class to lower to moderate income household based on the family and home that is showed in the final scene.
Overall, our brand, Just Milk, will engage our target audience by the use of the 3 key elements of product name, slogan, packaging design to ensure that our product stands out.